Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stew beef and rice. First, prepare your beef by cutting 2 pounds of stew meat into roughly 1-inch cubes. Pat the beef dry, then season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the beef in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides, creating a rich base of flavor. Once the beef is seared, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Reduce the heat to medium, then add 1 chopped onion and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute until fragrant. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of beef broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Finally, add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Now, return the seared beef to the pot with the sautéed vegetables and liquids. Add enough water or additional beef broth to just cover the meat, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours. This slow cooking process ensures your beef becomes incredibly fork-tender and flavorful. While your stew is simmering, prepare 2 cups of white rice according to the package directions. Once the stew beef is perfectly tender, taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Ladle generous portions of the rich, savory stew over a warm bed of fluffy rice. This hearty meal is perfect for a comforting dinner. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.